Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn a lesson. Before start the lesson, I would like to ask some questions. Do you have pets at your home? Yes. Some will say. Some student will say, yes, ma'am. I have my pet dog. I have a cat. Other students will say, yes, we have a horse in our farm. We have bulls. Yes, everyone know these are the pets animal. Cats, see this picture? Cats, horse, camel, bulls, then yak. These animals kept in our home. We can kept our home, so we call them pet animals. So once again I would like to ask question. Can you kept unusual animal at your home? Unusual means different. Some student will say, you can say like this, ma'am, unusual animal different means like that lion. You may thinking like this, maybe tiger, fish, then dinosaur. These are animals we can't kept at our home. So these are the unusual. Today, like that, we are going to learn the new lesson, the Rikki Tikki and Naak. This is the new lesson we are going to learn. Before start the lesson, I would like to introduce the characters of this lesson. See, second unit, Rikki Tikki and Naak. Here are the characters of this lesson. Rikki Tikki Tavi, it's a mungus. It is unusual animal. Teddy. Teddy is a young boy. Then Teddy's parents. Teddy's mother and father. There are 4 characters in this lesson. So let us start the lesson. I am going to read the lesson. You have to repeat these words with me. It means you have to read the lesson. Okay? Dear students, this is warm up. Read the story Surat Little by E.B. White. You have to read this story written by E.B. White. Okay? Before start the lesson, this lesson is written by Rikki Tikki Tavi is a short story in the Jungle Book. Rikki Tikki is the short story. It's taken from the Jungle Book, name of a book, written by Rudyard Kipling. He is the author of this lesson. So, Rudyard Kipling, this is the person who wrote the story Rikki Tikki and Naak. 1865 to 1935, his date of birth 1865, he was born and died 1935. Was an English poet, novelist. He is an English poet. He write the poems, and novelist means he wrote the novels. We can call it Kadambari in Marathi. And short story. What writer? He is a writer. He was born in India, and his stories for children reflect his love for Indian culture. This writer is born in India, and his stories write about the children's and their love and Indian culture. He is the best known for his work, The Jungle Book. He is the best. He is famous for his Jungle Book. Let us see. Rikki Tikki Tavi was a baby mongoose who was washed away in a flood. Rikki Tikki Tavi is a baby mongoose and he washed away in a flood. Flood means baad. Baad mein beh gaya. He was taken in my Teddy and his parents. And he was taken. Who saved them? Teddy and his parents saved the Mungus, a British family residing in India. He owed to save his foster family from dangerous that snakes like Nagina and Nag pose. When the Teddy's family saved the Rikki Tikki, that's why the Mungus also take vow. Vow means take a prayer to save the British family, to look after. Foster means to look after the British family, to protect their family, like the dog is protect our family. Okay, dear students, from dangers that snakes and Nagina and Nag, these are the names of snakes. This story is very interesting, so listen all of you. Story about Rikki Tikki, Mungus and snakes. Very interesting story. So dear student, concentrate on your video. Let us read and find out what's happens to Rikki Tikki in his final battle against the mighty Nag. What happens when the Rikki Tikki was battle? Battle means war, fighting between the mighty Nag and Rikki Tikki. Rikki Tikki went off for his nightly walk around the house, and in the dark he ran into the Chuchundra, the muskrat creeping round by the wall. One day, during the night, every night, Rikki Tikki went walking around the home. And at that time, he was following muskrat. Muskrat means Chuchundra, it's a muskrat. Chuchundra, it is a rat-like animal with a thick brown fur. Chuchundra is a broken-hearted little beast. He whimpers means here, makes small sounds of pain and fear. Something is paining to the Chuchundra. And Chuchundra was making a sound, paining sound, chip sound of a bird all night, trying to make up his mind to run into the middle of the room. And that Chuchundra was trying inside the room, but never gets there. But he could not enter the house. "Don't kill me," said Chuchundra, almost weeping. "Rikki Tikki, don't kill me." Chuchundra said, and he was crying. Weeping means crying here. And he requesting Rikki Tikki, "Don't kill me. Rikki Tikki, please. Do you think a snake killer kills muskrats? Said Rikki Tikki scornfully. Scornfully means disrespectfully. He said, "Did you heard? Do you know the snake killer kills muskrat? Muskrats को किसने किल किया? किसी स्नेक ने मारा है? Those who kill snakes get killed by snakes," said Chuchundra, more sorrowfully than ever. "And how can I be sure that Nag won't mistake me for you some dark night?" And Chuchundra is telling, those kill the snakes, they can kill the muskrats also. How can I'm sure Nag won't mistake means Nag won't kill me during some dark night. Next, "There is not the least danger," said Rikki Tikki. Nag is in the garden, and I know you don't go there. I mustn't tell you anything, can't you hear, Rikki Tikki?" And Rikki Tikki is telling, "You don't go there. Nag is in the garden. Don't go. And I mustn't tell you anything. Can't you hear, Rikki Tikki?" And here the muskrat is telling, "Are you hearing the sound?" Rikki Tikki listened carefully. The house was very still calm. But he thought, still means quiet, calm. He thought he could just catch the faintest scratch, it's a sound in the world. Faintest means dim, very slow, soft sound Rikki Tikki heard in the world. A noise as faint as that of wasps. Wasp, it is an insect. Walking on a window pane. That insect was walking on the window pane means it's a window. It is made up of wood. On that window pane, wasp was making sound, faint or soft sound making of the dry scratch of a snake scales on brickwork. That is Nag or Nagina, he said to himself. Who said to himself? Rikki Tikki said, and he recognized the sound of Nag and Nagina. He is crawling into the bathroom slice. Slice means a drainage water pipe where the bathroom water was passing through the pipe. It's called drainage pipe. And Rikki Tikki was crawling into the bathroom slice. He stole off Teddy's bathroom. He went to the Teddy's bathroom, but there was nothing there. And then to Teddy's mother's bathroom. He heard Nag and Nagina whispering together outside in the moonlight. Rikki Tikki heard the noise of the Nag and Nagina into the Teddy's mother's bathroom. When the house is empty of people, said Nagina to her husband. What they are talking, Nag and Nagina? When the house is empty of people, when the house will be empty, he will have to go away. And then the garden will be ours again. When the people will be go from this palace or this bungalow, then the garden will be ours. Go in quietly and remember to the first bite the big man who killed Crate. When you are done, come out and tell me, and we will hunt for Rikki Tikki together. Nagina was telling to her husband, you have to keep empty this palace or this house, and we will live in the garden. Garden will be ours. So first of all, you move and kill the big man. Big man means here the Teddy's parents who killed Crate, who killed our Crate. It's a snake. Then you have to, after that we will kill the Rikki Tikki together. But are you sure that there is anything to be gained by killing the people? Asked Nag. Nag was asking to her wife, are you sure if we kill the people, we will gain something? No. When his wife was telling everything, when there were no people in the bungalow, did we have any mungus? If the people is not in the bungalow, then nobody will be. Nobody means here mungus will not stay in the garden. So long as the bungalow is empty, we are king and queen of the garden. And remember that as soon as our eggs in the melon bed hatch as they may, tomorrow our children will need room and quiet. She will reminding to her husband, we will have eggs. Tomorrow it will be hatch. So we will need the place. We will need the room which will be quiet. I hadn't thought of that, said Nag. I shall go, but there is no need that we should hunt for Rikki Tikki afterwards. Oh, I forgot, the Nag said. First of all, but there is no need that we should hunt for Rikki Tikki afterwards. Then afterwards we will not need the hunt. Hunt means not need to kill Rikki Tikki. First he is telling, I shall kill the big man. First of all, I kill the big man and his wife. Means Teddy's mother and father. The child if can and come away quietly. Then the bungalow will be empty and Rikki Tikki will have to go. When the bungalow will be empty and Rikki Tikki also left from this house.